Okay, my galore false rash, Ceacht, fihe, lesson 20. I didn't think we'd make it this far. Here we go. If you're new, start with lesson 1, and if you're an old hand, false rash. Welcome back. Can you remember how to say I like Donegal? Is mailum Tirchanal, but I prefer Spain. Agus farlium and Spain. Now, if you want to say that something exists, right? Like it's there. You say ta, and then the thing, and then un. So if you want to say there's a castle, how would you say that? Ta caisleán un. Ta caisleán un. Now the un, that bit there actually means in it. So you're saying there's a castle in it. In what? In that place, right? Or in existence, okay? Say again, there's a castle. Ta caisleán un. Say, there's a beach. Ta tra un. Can you say, there's a big castle? Ta caisleán mór un. Now, ask, what did you do in the summer? What did you do in the summer? Gé rintu sa tauru. Say, I was in Spain. Vi me sa Spain. I like Spain. Is mailum in Spain? There's a big castle. Ta caisleán mór un. And there's a beach. Agus ta tra un. Say, there's a big beach. Ta tra mór un. Say, there's a good beach. Ta tra mai un. Say, I like Spain, but I prefer Donegal. Is mailum in Spain, ach is farlium Tirchanal. Now, can you ask, where were you yesterday? Ca raibh tú inné? Say, I was in Dublin with my son. Bhí mé maile clia le mhaith. There's a big pub in Dublin. Tá pub mór in maile clia. Now just say, there's a big pub there. Tá pub mór un. Say, we were in the pub. Vi mudge the pub. Now, craic is crack, and good crack is craic. So, how do you think you would say there was good crack? Bhí craic un. Bhí craic un. There was good crack in the pub. Bhí craic un sa pub. Ask, where were you in the summer? Ca raibh tú sa tauru? Say, we were in Spain. Bhí muid sa Spain? There was good crack. Bhí craic un. But it was too hot. Ach bhí sé róthaí. I prefer Donegal. Is farlium Tirchanal? There's a good beach in Donegal. Tá tra mai I Tirchanal. Okay, now let's talk about tomorrow. Ask, have you got free time tomorrow? or ask, have you got time tomorrow? And will am agat amarach? Say, I don't have time. Níl am agam. I'll be in Uri. Beidh me in Ur Contra. I'll be in the restaurant with my mummy. Beidh me Ceacht le mhaith. Now, do you remember how to say there was good crack? How'd you say it? The crack way on. So how do you think you'll say there will be good crack? Or like this, it'll be good crack. Yeah, Beidh crack way on. So, say again, I will be in Uri. Beidh me in Ur Contra. It'll be good crack. Beidh crack way on. I'll be with Padraig and with my son. Beidh me le Padraig agus le mhaith. We'll be in the pub. Beidh mudge sa pub. What are you doing in the summer? Gide tá tú a dheanú sa tairú? We'll be in Donegal. Beidh mudge I dtír chánal? I would like to go to Spain. But why am go dtí in Spain? Because I prefer Spain. Mar is fearlam an Spain. But there'll be good crack in Donegal. Ach beidh crack way on I dtír chánal. Say, we were in Spain in the summer. Bhí muid sa Spáin sa tairú. It was good crack. Bhí crack way on. We saw a big castle. Tháinig muid Caisleán mór. But then we went to the pub. Ach an sin, hui muid go dtí in pub. Because it was too hot. Mar bhí sé ró hay. Can you remember how to say and therefore? Agus mar sin. Agus mar sin. So say, I like Spain. Is mailliam in Spain. But it was too hot. Ach bhí sé ró hay. And therefore, I preferred Donegal. Agus mar sin is fearlam tír chánal. Say, I like Belfast. Is mailliam Belfasta. Can you figure out how to say because it is big? Mar tá sé mór. Mar tá sé mór. But I prefer Newcastle. Ach is fearlam Caisleán úr because it is small. Mar tá sé bug. We'll leave that there, guys. My shift.